was lucky that.
All right. Let's do it. That should be more than enough throw. So, gear. Where's your gear? Is this it?
Oh, that one, yeah.
Okay.
Back left.
All right. So it's a 5,000 pack?
Yeah.
How long do you think?
Well, on the video, Quickie is meant to be flying 4 minutes and 50 seconds on one 4,500 pack.
On a
Do you want me to time it on my phone?
Yeah, if there's a way to time it.
Yeah,
just to make sure.
Yeah.
I want to start setting up for landing around 2.5, 3 minutes,
Yeah.
just to be safe. See what it does.
Let me just do a stopwatch. All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Start right now. Take off roll. Here we go. Ooh, touchy.
You check the gyro directions?
Everything's good. It's just real touchy. Very sensitive. That's below half throttle. Looks good to me. It's just very sensitive.
So I have to get some tune right into it.
Yeah. I mean, it's nothing I can't deal with. It's just I wasn't expecting it to move that much.
Seems like the gyro is too much gain as well.
And this is low, considered low.
Well, you can flip this. Do you want me to flip the switch?
Because it rolls fast right now. That's full. Yeah, that's quick.
1 minute.
Okay. I'm below half, mostly below half, so I'm not. Thank you. I'm not worried about battery too much.
Even timer?
Well, I have timer on my phone right now.
He's got a timer.
Wow. Flies pretty dang good too. It's 11 blade, I think, right?
I think it's 11.
Yeah. It's 11.
It's fast.
It retains its energy too. That's what Brandon was saying about it.
It's a bit challenging to land.
You're all right.
Well, a little bit high alpha and with all this headwind here.
Let me see if we can what I can do with slow speed stuff. It doesn't seem too bad. It'll slow down. Okay. Yeah, it'll slow down.
Don't go too far, right? This is decent.
Yeah, this is good. Just got to get these rates down, Janae. It's a little way too sensitive.
Yeah.
That could be your sticks too, but you're used to helicopters.
No, well, I'm using a lot of expo normally because I like to use the width
Right.
of this thing.
Right. There's very little right now. It flies good.
And is it just a roll straight or are you compensating a lot?
No, it rolls straight. It might be a tad. Might be a tad nose heavy.
Okay. Well, I can need to move this battery.
Let me see. Here's a roll. That's aileron only, so it's diving. There's a little bit of. It's a very cool plane. I like it. From what I've seen in the videos, I like how it flies.
Yeah, I just didn't know if I was going to like the way it looked when I seen it.
It looks good. I mean, it's okay. I don't care for it just because it's not scale.
They have that blue one.
Yeah. Flies great though. Yeah. Very precise. Very. That could be the gyro. Okay, so let's prepare for landing. I'll come by and do a gear pass.
Is that a 5,000?
Yeah. That's more than enough compared to videos, so. Gear doors come down, then the gear, we're good. So let me.
What I heard, this is very efficient.
Very, yeah. So keep the nose up a little bit in the turn.
You can actually, it's quiet.
Yeah, very quiet.
Quiet means that it's efficient.
That's right. You're not burning up a whole bunch of energy and sound. Not drag, no drag. There we go. So motor's off. Look at that.
Very nice.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, wheelies!
You ever look at the wheelies on the videos?
Yes, so Brandon's gonna see this video and be like, I told you.
Hey,
Yeah.
you gonna order one up?
No.
Come on, man. After that one.
Hey, it flies amazing, I'll give it that. But I just don't care for the looks.
It's a good design.
Yeah, very good design, very well designed.
All right. Thank you so
A
much.
lot
Appreciate it.
of
Really
authority.
nice.
You can probably have half of that.
Yeah, I'll put in a lot of
Expo's
expo and dual rate as well.
yeah,
Yeah.
but it's easy to fly. I didn't trim anything.
All right.
Nothing.
Not trim at all.
Nothing.
Oh, that's perfect.
I didn't touch a thing.
What about you said tiny bit forward the battery? That's it.
I think it might be a little forward. You can move it back like a half inch.
All right.
But other than that, it's good to go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, there was no trim at all.
All right.